we come to Gejo in Tokamachi with 10 Ifugao people, Ifugao, Fundoshi people.
Yes.
Yeah, we Ifugao, very good wood carvers. So they make kayabuki, old style, no nails, all fitting kayabuki. So we make also now with modern roof, with because kayabuki principle, the idea of kayabuki is still good idea, old architecture, but now we add new materials, steel, plastic, and then combining old technology and new materials. That is this year project. But in 2009 Echigo Tsumari, we have another kayabuki there on the other side with the kaya roof. Yeah. So little by little, we will make a new world of new kayabukis with modern materials.